My dear students, welcome to the channel. So students, today I am going to give the answer of chapter number 3.2 compare a program. So students, आपको first meaning दिया है festive. Festive का meaning है joyous. Now see the question. Why does the compare request the audience to switch off their mobile phones? Answer. The compare request the audience to switch off their phones so that they can give undivided attention to the creative expression of the youngsters and not get distracted by their other preoccupation and ring. Second, why does she request them to be seated? Answer. She requests them to take their seats so that she can begin the program. Next, at the beginning of the program, who does the compare address by name? The compare addresses the head girl by her name. Next, do you have a school song? What does it tell you? Answer. Yes, we have a school song by the name The Temple of Learning. It tells us about how a school acts as a sheltered cocoon for students, preparing them to take flight, spreading their wings in the beautiful world outside. Guess the meaning of Atithi Devo Bhava. Answer. The guest is equivalent to God. What do we learn about Shri Charudatta Diwan from the Compere's speech? We learned that Shri Charudatta is a renowned artist, a painter of international repute, proud recipient of many prestigious awards, and president of Kalarajan Academy. Next, who does the compere thank? The compere thanks the principal Dr. Ajinkya Parakhi. Next, who are they? Mr. Avadhut Pathak, president of Balanand Education Society. Miss Shubhada Murarka is head girl of the school. Mr. Ajinkya Parakhi, principal of Balanand Vidyalaya. Describe the book that is released. Answer. The book is a volume comprising photographs of all beautiful and unique piece of art contributed by the schoolful student of Balanand Vidyalaya. Next, why does the compere thank the chief guest? The compere thanks the chief guest for releasing the book and formally inaugurating the art festival. Next, who is taking part in the Tal Kacheri? Answer. Sahil of Standard 10th A, Varsha, Vivek, Zubin and Govind are taking part in the Tal Kacheri. Next, guess find the meaning of Tal Kacheri. Instrumental musical session. Next question. How is this vocal rendition different from music? Answer. When vocal or instrumental sound or both combine in such a way as to produce beauty of form, harmony and expression of emotion is called music, while vocal rendition is to make it musical sound with the voice, especially words with a set. Next question. Does the compere say the following at the beginning of the program or after it has ended? So the answer will come like this. What a wonderful presentation. That was indeed a fantastic performance. The compere says the given statement after the program has ended. What is meant by butterflies in your stomach? Answer. To be anxious and nervous. Now students, we are going to solve questions from workshop. The first question, the items in the program below have got mixed up. Rearrange them in the proper order. Just add the number in the left hand column. Now see the question number 2. Form groups of 5 to 8. This passage tells us only what the compere says. Try to visualize and write what the other people on the dais must have said in their speeches. Write only the main points. The school principal main point of his speech is need for an art festival, role of art in today's world, purpose of the festival, what is it about. The chief guest main points: what is art and culture, importance of art and culture, how it develops the personality of students, need to encourage and preserve art and culture of India. Next, the art teacher who offered vote of thanks. Main points: formal extension of gratitude to the chief guest for being present to encourage students, gratitude towards the other dignitaries, the encouragement of principal has provided the parents and the students, performers, artists and spectators. Fifth, other teaching and non-teaching staff. Sixth, the publisher of the book. Seventh, the caterers. Eighth, the decorators. Now, see the question number 3. Choose the appropriate phrase to insert in the gaps to make the sentences meaningful. Use the appropriate form of the verb. So first is, before we draw curtain, let us stand in attention for the national anthem. I had butterflies in my stomach just as I was to receive my report card. After I took the medicine, I was relieved the pain. Before we do the experiment in the laboratory, let me appraise you all about it. The minister was escorted his personal bodyguard. Sorrowful times are like in darkness. Question number 4. Prepare a formal invitation card for the art festival. So students, इस तरह से आपको एक फॉर्मल इनविटेशन तैयार करना है, और अगर आप इसको खुद से करना चाहें तो आप खुद से भी कर सकते हैं, नहीं तो लेसन पढ़ के आप समझ के एड्रेस एंड नेम्स प्रॉपर लिख के इस तरह से फॉर्मल इनविटेशन बना सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. प्रिपेयर अ न्यूज़ रिपोर्ट इन ब्रीफ ऑन दिस आर्ट फेस्टिवल. Question number 6. Chalk out detailed program for the following occasion. The Teachers' Day program in your school. Next, an exhibition of science project arranged in your classroom. Next, a wedding anniversary or birthday celebration for your grandparents that you have arranged with your family. Now see the 7th one, language study, object, direct and indirect. ऑब्जेक्ट का मतलब हम सभी जानते हैं. ऑब्जेक्ट का मतलब होता है कोई भी चीज़. एन ऑब्जेक्ट इज अ वर्ड, फ्रेज और क्लॉज दैट शोज द पर्सन, थिंग एटसेट्रा अफेक्टेड बाय द एक्शन ऑफ द वर्ब. द अंडरलाइन वर्ड्स और फ्रेज इन द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस आर ऑब्जेक्ट. तो यहाँ पर ऑब्जेक्ट देखो, यहाँ पर दिया है फर्स्ट, मदर ड्राइव्स अ स्कूटर, तो स्कूटर जो है ऑब्जेक्ट हुआ. नाउ सी ही गिव मी अ पेन, तो यहाँ पर पेन जो है वो ऑब्जेक्ट होगा, यानी कोई भी चीज़. तो इसकी डेफिनेशन में ही बताया कि ऑब्जेक्ट इज़ अ वर्ड, फ्रेज और क्लॉज दैट शोज द पर्सन, थिंग एटसेट्रा, मतलब वो ऑब्जेक्ट किसी से रिलेटेड होता है. ठीक है. नाउ देयर आर 2 टाइप्स ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट, डायरेक्ट एंड इनडायरेक्ट. द डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट इज डायरेक्टली अफेक्टेड बाय द एक्शन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इन सेंटेंस सेकेंड, अबव अ पेन इज डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट. सेकेंड वाला एग्जाम्पल देखो, ही गेव मी अ पेन, तो पेन जो है वो ऑब्जेक्ट है ना, तो लेकिन वो कौन सा है, डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट है. और इनडायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट रिफर्स टू द पर्सन और अ थिंग, मतलब जिसके जरिए वो काम होगा उसको बोलेंगे इनडायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट. सी द एग्जाम्पल नंबर 2, ही गेव मी अ पेन. तो पेन, जैसे हमने अभी पढ़ा कि पेन जो है डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट है, और जो मी होगा यानी पेन किसको दिया गया, मुझे दिया गया, तो मी जो है वो इनडायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट हुआ. होप आपको ऑब्जेक्ट में डायरेक्ट एंड इनडायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट समझ में आ गया होगा. और फर्दर वीडियोस के लिए आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, और माई होम माई स्टडी के प्लेलिस्ट में जाके अदर सब्जेक्ट्स के वीडियोस भी देख सकते हैं.